Today, we're going to go over the expected moves that I calculate from the option market data. We're going to go over the SPY, the Qs, IWM, Tesla, and NVDA. Starting off, let's go with the SPY. We closed at 747.41 today. We have an expected move of $4.50. That brings us up, if you add that $4.50 to the closed move, that gives us the upper high of 751.91. And if you subtract the same number from this number, you get a 742.91. Use this as support, this as resistance. 68% of the time we close inside this range. Anyways, let's go on to the MACD. What is it looking like? Got the signal line crossing down on the MACD, still in positive territory, but it is pointing in the downward direction. Let's go with the RSI. That's below the signal line. We are below the 50, kind of looking a little bearish there on the daily time frame. Let's hop over to the Qs. And as for the Qs, we closed today at the 705.35. Same thing. We have the expected of $7.88 going by the option market data. That gives us a high of 713.23 and a low of 697.47. We close inside this box here, in between the high and the low, 68% of the time. And if we go down here and we look at the MACD, we are in negative territory, pointing towards the downward direction. And the RSI, we are below on the 50. It's kissing the signal line. We have made a lower low right here. We took out this low. We got to get all-time high. We got a low, higher low, lower low, lower low, a lower high, and a lower high. So it is looking more like going down south. Now we're going to go to IWM. We closed at 293.79. We have an expected move of $2.32 going by the option market data, which puts us at the high of 296.11, a low of 291.47. 68% of the time we close inside of this box. All right, we have made a low, a lower, no, that's a higher low. We've made a high, a lower high, so it still remains neutral to me. MACD crossed below the signal line, and we are headed south, but we are in the positive territory on the MACD side. It's just going down south as of this moment. Anyways, the RSI, it was touched the signal line, bounced back down. We're right here at the 50. This thing could turn up, could turn down. Stay in check, and we'll keep an eye on it. All right, now let's go to earnings. Can't believe they missed their earnings. That was insane. Anyways, we closed today at 374.01. We have an expected move of $11.30. That gives us a high of 385.31, a low of 362.71. 68% of the time we close inside of this box. I like to use this as a support. This is a resistance. We also, on the daily time frame, we are below our 200. We are below our 9-day, 20-day EMAs, our moving averages. And if we go to our MACD, we are down south into negative bear land, as well as the RSI still saying we are in Bearville. All right, I figured I'd add an extra one on today. We're going to go to NVDA. We closed at 212.06. Option market data gives us an expected move of $2.90, which puts us up to $214.96 with a low of 209.16. That puts us inside of this box. We are above the 200-day moving average. We are above the 20-day moving average, and we are about to be above just the 9-day moving average with a candle. MACD, let's take a little look-see. We are crossed up into positive territory. It's above the signal line. RSI is above the signal line, and we are up above 50. We are on the daily time frame. Let's see what happens. Don't ever jump the guns. Be patient. Let the charts tell you what to do. Do your own due diligence. Trading is risky. What I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Anyways, Trucker Stock Trader, we'll see y'all on the next one for tomorrow's expected moves. Peace.